Welcome back to Auto Quake, where innovation meets style and the road never stops surprising us. Today, we're diving into the freshly unveiled 2026 Citroën C3, car that might be compact in size, but is making big waves across the hatchback segment. Known for its personality, comfort, and affordability, the C3 has always been a practical choice for city dwellers. But now, with its 2026 refresh, Citroën has turned this little hatchback into something much more compelling. Let's start with the design, because honestly, it's hard to miss. The new Citroën C3 follows the brand's bold and playful aesthetic, but this time it adds an extra layer of sharpness. The front end features a reworked grille with the updated Citroën badge integrated into the LED DRLs, giving the car a more futuristic and confident face. The split headlight design remains, but it's sleeker and more expressive. The body is slightly more muscular with boxier arches and increased ground clearance, giving the car a rugged, SUV-inspired presence without actually being an SUV. Calls it a hatchback with attitude, and it truly lives up to that name. The 2026 model offers a wide palette of colors, dual-tone paint options, and customizable accents, staying true to its youthful, funky spirit. The roof rails, black cladding, and new alloy designs complete a look that's far from boring and far from generic. Now, on to powertrains. The Citroën C3 2026 offers both traditional internal combustion engines and a fully electric version. The petrol variant includes a refined 1.2L three-cylinder engine, producing around 100 horsepower, mated to either a manual or automatic transmission. It's economical, easy to maintain, and perfect for urban driving. But the real story is the GC3 fully electric model. This EV packs a 44 kWh LFP battery, offering a real-world range of up to 320 kilometers. It supports 100 kilowatts DC fast charging, meaning you can go from 20% to 80% in about 26 minutes. For a car at this price point, that's pretty remarkable. The interior is where Citroën's advanced comfort philosophy takes center stage. Despite being compact, the cabin feels airy and well laid out. The seats are thickly padded with special comfort foam, offering support that rivals cars twice the price. The dashboard has been redesigned with a minimalist vibe, less clutter, more focus. A new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system floats in the center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Citroën's native navigation and media controls. The climate controls are thankfully kept physical, making them easy to use on the go. Rear seat space is surprisingly generous for a car in this segment, and the taller ride height adds to the feeling of roominess. The boot offers enough storage for daily use and weekend getaways, and the split-fold rear seats enhance practicality further. Driving the 2026 C3 is about comfort, not performance thrills. The suspension is tuned for softness, soaking up bumps, and poor road surfaces with ease, something Citroën has always excelled at. Steering is light and predictable, making city navigation a breeze. The electric version is particularly smooth and silent, giving you that premium EV feel at a fraction of the cost. Safety features include lane departure warning, speed limit recognition, hill start assist, and a reversing camera with sensors. It may not have every high-end feature, but for its class and price, the package is generous and thoughtfully designed. With pricing starting around 15,000 euros for the petrol model and just under 25,000 euros for the electric GC3, is offering serious value. This is a car that speaks to young drivers, urban commuters, and anyone looking for style, comfort, and eco-friendliness without spending a fortune. The 2026 Citroën C3 isn't trying to be everything to everyone, but what it does exceptionally well. It's playful, efficient, modern, and undeniably French. In a sea of anonymous compact cars, the C3 stands out with personality, practicality, and purpose. Thanks for watching Auto Quake. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Until next time, keep your drive fresh and your style even fresher.